Hey girl, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to another Amazon haul. Before we get into the haul, make sure you are subscribed because I see a lot of you girls are watching, but y'all not subscribed. So go ahead, click that subscribe button. Don't forget your notification bell because I need you to know whenever I upload a video. Now back to the haul. I told y'all I hadn't shopped in like almost 3 years, and it seems like since I've started, I'm having to get a grip. But I got some summer fashion finds for you all. This is what I will be wearing all summer 2025. I don't have any big plans, but whenever someone calls or whenever I decide to step out, I have the perfect summer pieces to do so. And I wanted to share them with you. I have an Amazon storefront, so you will be able to find the link in the description. Now let's get into the haul. In today's haul, I have some accessories, I have a couple of pair of shoes, and then I have some dresses. But before all of that, since we are shopping on Amazon, and I'm sure you shop online, then you get packages in the mail, I have to put you girls on. This is an identity theft roller stamp. And what that means is when you get your packages in the mail, whether it's a box, a poly mailer like this, whatever it is, and it has that label on it with your name and your address, this is what it will say. It has confidential across and all the little confidentials. So what you do with this roller, I go from right to left. Just rolled it across this. They'll have a hard time trying to figure out what's under there. And sometimes if you look at it and you think you can still see your address or something a little bit, just roll it again. And that's what I did. That is a great investment for everyone. Now let me begin with what I'm wearing right now. These are some really cute acrylic drop earrings. Now this is for my girls that love a nice statement piece. When they see you, your earrings make a statement all by itself. Now, if you're wearing makeup, the good thing about it, once you take them off, you could just wipe it off, come off with no problem. They are a little heavy. They kind of pulling my ear down a little bit, but that's okay. And then right here, take a look at this. Right here, this is a cuff earring. Okay, these came in a pack of 3. These are the other 2. I'm too scared to get my ear pierced up here, so I like the illusion of looking like I have an earring there. It's just cute. It just adds a little to the look. And y'all, I found a really cute denim bag. She is a designer-inspired bag. Let me show you. She is super cute. I don't know what this pattern or print is doing, but she came with this cute little short strap, which is how I'll wear her. Or if you choose to wear her crossbody style, let me show you. She comes with a longer strap, and this is the inside. Just a cute, simple denim bag. And this is how she closes. She has 2 buttons here. She closes like this. Top handle bag, super cute. All right, had to make sure she was buttoned, but she is super cute. Now, nothing else says summertime like a cute pair of sunnies. And I am really into the sunnies that you can wear inside or outside. I love a tinted frame. To me, it elevates your look. I told y'all, your accessories are the exclamation point to your outfit. I picked up these are the first pair. I'm going to put them on. I hope it doesn't mess up my makeup, but these are a designer-inspired pair of sunglasses, and they are from, I think, Alyssa Johnson. I'll pop a picture up so you can see what I'm talking about. But y'all see the price? Okay, these right here were like, I think $13.49 and super cute. Perfect for inside or out. I love it. Then I picked up another pair. Now these, they actually a little bit darker than what I thought. They're also a designer inspired pair of sunglasses. These are inspired by Tom Ford. You see these? Now look at this. Oh my goodness. When I say Tom Ford inspired, now let me show you. Now, these are a little bit darker than what I like. They are really cute for the summer. I mean, super cute. And before I move on, I just want to thank you for the love on my last Amazon haul. You girls really did that. I am grateful and appreciative for each one of you. So let's run the numbers up on this one too. Make sure you share this video. Now, you know we need a cute pair of sandals for the summertime. So I found a pair of sandals and I found a pair of heels. And I have been looking for a nude pair of heels, cute, comfortable pair of heels. Now I know not too many heels are comfortable. I just wanted something cute and comfortable enough for me to wear them longer than 5 minutes. I also wanted a cute pair of nude sandals. Couldn't really find the nude shade that I wanted, but I did find a cute pair of tan. These cute pair of tan sandals. Super cute. Lightweight, and I have fat feet. This one strap across the toe and my feet fit all the way in, and they're not the nude shade that I wanted, but they would definitely do. And now here is the heel. Super cute pair of heels. Just a simple pair of heels. The heel is actually what caught my eye. It's not really high. I think it's like 3.5 inches, so that's perfect for me. It goes around the ankle. This was exactly what I wanted. Now that will do it for the accessories and the heels. Now let's get to the cute, comfy, cozy pieces that I picked up for the summer. Okay, up first is this really cute t-shirt. In your closet, you should always have a plain white tee and a plain black tee. Those are classic pieces that you can always throw on with a pair of denim jeans, denim shorts. So I found these really cute t-shirts. Now, I love that they are not just simple t-shirts. And I got them both in black and in white. I just told you that I have the shirt in white. I didn't want to take a chance with putting her on, but look, they're not just super simple. And let me show you the back. It's giving the illusion like the shirt is on the wrong side. So what I call this is an elevated basic. I'm not really a fan of mock necks. Usually I like to do this. Just tuck them down. It's still kind of mock, but it's not all the way up here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like this. Now y'all, I love to be different. I don't want to look like anybody else. I have my own style. I have been looking for some denim jeans. And when I saw these, first, let me show you the picture. Now, when I got them in my possession, those ties were a beast. I had the hardest time trying to finally get them like this, but you can really tie them however you want. I was trying to get them as close as I could to the picture, but I couldn't do it, so I just did my own thing, but I absolutely love these jeans. The jeans are a size large. They do contain stretch, and both t-shirts are a size extra large. And they contain stretch as well. Up next is a really super cute, simple, casual 2-piece maxi skirt set. I got it in black. She comes in several colors. She is a size large, contains great stretch, and she is maxi. Now, I'm 5'3". Keep that in mind. Depending on your waistline, how tall you are, she might not be maxi. She may just be a long flowy skirt. I love her. You can dress her up or down. I have her on with the sandals that I just showed to you. She can be worn with the sandals or she can be worn with the heels. You can even wear her with a pair of sneakers if you choose to. It's all about your style, where you're going, and all that good stuff. Now let's get into our maxi dresses. First up is this super cute two-tone maxi dress, A-line. The top is like a stretchy bandeau material, and the bottom is like a linen style. I don't know if that's the material is. That's what I think. It might just be 100% cotton. I'm not sure, but it's not the same as this top part. And she has pockets. Now she's just cute. You can't go wrong, black and cream. Honey, you could dress her up or down. I have her on with a pair of flip-flops. You could throw a pair of heels on with her. You just summer ready. All right, I'm back with another super cute maxi dress. She is fruit green. She is a size large. Before I get all the way into the details of this dress, the last dress that I just had on, she is also a size large, fits true to size. Now this super cute, she is a size large. However, I could have sized down to a medium because she is super stretchy up top and the bottom. You see how long she is? Remember, I'm 5'3". So for my tall girls, I think she'll be a good fit for you. Because if I didn't have the heels on, she would be sweeping the floor. And those are the heels that I showed you in the beginning. Dress her up or down, heels, sandals, sneakers, whatever your vibe is, whatever your comfort level is, that's what you can wear. That's how you can rock her. We have come to the last summer fit for 2025 for this Amazon haul. Another green dress, but as you can see, she is more of a midi style dress. Cute, comfy, cozy. I mean, she's just the perfect lounge dress, like one of those throw on and goes. I have her on with the sandals from the haul. You could throw her on with a pair of sneakers. You can actually pair her with the heels from this haul, depending on where you're going, what you're doing. Just a simple, cute dress. She is a size medium. I looked at the reviews and that's how I decided on what size to get. I should have ordered a large because I wanted her just a tad bit bigger. So keep that in mind whenever you're ordering your size. And honey, with these pieces, everything that I've shown you today, you are ready. That's why I said what I'm wearing all summer 2025. Perfect. If you have made it to this portion of the video, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't just watch, subscribe, support the channel. Don't forget to click your notification bell so you don't miss out on any uploads. Share the video, and GWURL, I will see you in the next one. Adios.